If your life feels stuck, if your habits, money, and discipline keep repeating, you don't have a motivation problem. You have a system problem. And today I'm going to show you the system that's been quietly controlling your life. Every year starts the same. New goals, new plans, new energy. This year will be different. But a few months later, same habits, same income, same patterns. And it's frustrating because you know what to do, but you don't do it consistently. Here's the truth. You don't rise to motivation. You fall to your systems. Your daily behavior is not random. It's structured. Even your failures are structured. Most people are running a system they never designed. It was installed by the environment, distraction, old habits. So when you try to change your life, your system resets you back. That's why you start strong, then fall again and again. Now, here's where it gets serious. We are entering a world where AI is replacing effort. Speed is increasing. Execution is automated. So if your system is weak, you fall behind faster than ever. This is why I built the weekly reset system, a simple loop to your life. By you reviewing it, you reset. By you realigning it, you restart. Every 7 days of the week, you update your life, not emotionally, but structurally. Step 1, review. Where did you lose time? Where did discipline break? Step 2, clear your environment, remove frictions. Step 3, realign. Choose 3 wins: money, discipline, identity. And step 4, restart. Monday equals executions only. No thinking, no emotion, just systems. Every week must produce a win, not just working, but building leverage. Now, with AI, you can move faster than ever, but only if your system supports it. You are not trying anymore. You are building. Every reset is a vote for your future self. If your life feels like it's repeating, this is an exit. Message reset on WhatsApp. Get the weekly reset system. Install it this week. Because if nothing changes, next week will look exactly the same.